Are you trying to get your products into walmarts.com but not sure where to start? Or do you want to get your products in front of walmarts.com shoppers? Walmart started to offer a few months ago the WFS, Walmart Fulfillment Services, which is very similar to FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. That's what took Amazon from a regular player in the e-commerce space to really to the next level and changed the whole e-commerce game forever. Now, the beauty of Walmart is that they have thousands of locations from the retail store that they are going to use as facilities for the online orders fulfillment, which is going to make the fulfillment process available to customers within hours, because usually the retail stores are located very close to cities and to where people live. And comparing Amazon, where they have only 300 locations across the globe. Now, this is a big difference, but Amazon fulfillment capabilities are much more advanced and techy and comparing to Walmart, but Walmart won't stay behind forever. And if you're serious about e-commerce and selling online, you want to make sure that you are going to be there as soon as possible, selling on walmart.com. My goal in this video is to really make the steps on how you can start listing your products very easy to understand and show you from my experience, because I went through all these steps. Now, before we are moving into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want to get updates and video notifications that are related to Amazon FBA, Walmart, eBay, and the e-commerce space, and click the bell so you can get yourself notified for every new video that I upload. And let's start with the video. So how to sell your Amazon products on Walmart. So this is mainly for Amazon sellers, but if you sell on Shopify and you want to sell your products on Walmart, that you're going to have the exact same steps, okay? So first of all, opening the Walmart account. This is a big step these days and even before, because Walmart are very slow, they're not efficient, their interface is not great, they are not really consistent with the times that they are replying, and there is a whole video that I explain on how to open your Walmart account. Second is I'll show you how to list items and manage the inventory. And third, how I use Deliverr to drive more sales, okay? So first of all, with the inventory that you have, unlike other channels like eBay or Etsy, where you get a new order, you can actually connect it to your Amazon FBA inventory and don't really need to fulfill it yourself. With Walmart, and I'll show you now where it is. So if you go here to settings and you go to shipping settings, you really have to give them the transit time on, first of all, the transit time, and also how long it will take you to fulfill the orders. So standard processing schedule, order processing schedule. Okay. So orders that came until 2 p.m. you have to fulfill the same day. And I couldn't really find a way to change it. And that's make it impossible to fulfill it with the inventory that you have on Amazon, because Amazon will take a couple of days to fulfill the order. So you have to really either fulfill it yourself, which I do sometimes in some cases, but I prefer not to, only when I'm limited with the stock that I have, or use a service like Deliverr, or any other company that connects automatically to Walmart. So with Deliverr, what I do is I connect, and I'll show exactly later how to do it, but I just connect the store, the Walmart, through API keys to Deliverr, and then when a new order comes, that they know that you have inventory, which is very similar process. In order for them to fulfill it, you tell them, you first of all send inventory to Deliverr that will be kind of a warehouse or FBA solution, and then when an order comes on Walmart and they see that they have stock for that item, they fulfill it automatically. The beauty of Deliverr is that you get the 2-day delivery badge. So if you go here and let's write, for example, hairbrush. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, this is W plus free shipping. So, oh no, I'm sorry, this is W plus. It's like the what you call it, it's like exactly as the Prime membership on Amazon. They have W plus, they call it. So you get free shipping for items, you get grocery same day delivery. It's something that I have myself on my account, and it's very, very good. Now, it's confusing a little bit, but free delivery. Okay, so as you can see, sold and shipped by. Let me open the search results in incognito window and then see if I'm getting the same thing, okay? They kind of changed on how it looks, but let me just pause it, see how it looks on my own items that are being used in Deliverr, just to confirm this. Okay, so after checking, what it will show is, it will show this one. And the W plus free shipping, I don't know how they bring it, but it will show the 2-day delivery, free pickup today. It's not if it's some items that are, you know, sitting in their stores. Let's try to find an item that is less competitive. Maybe wet brush. It's same thing. Anyway, it's not really that important that I'll need to stop and focus on that. So basically, you're going to get also the second or the 2-day free delivery badge. Here, as you can see, exactly this one, 2-day delivery sold and shipped by, and then you will have your brand name. So it increases conversions and also makes the entire process much more efficient and smooth, like an Amazon FBA kind of. Now, Walmart created the WFS. WFS, it's Walmart Fulfillment Services, which I applied already. They're telling me you've successfully submitted your WFS application. I did it like 2 months ago, and they told me that they're going to get back to me in a few days. And if you can see, the same message here. No one got back to me. That's the difference, I think, between Walmart to Amazon. They are not really efficient. They don't really know left and right on what's going on. Their service is very bad. Their interface is slow and glitchy. But at the end of the day, they will improve, and they will improve and be a big player, bigger than what they are right now for sure. So this is something to take in mind in the future that will replace Deliverr. And at the end of the day, you know, it's a great option to get more sales, and the sooner that you're there, the better for you. So how to actually list items, and I'll also show a little about orders later, even though I didn't plan to. But you go to manage items, and you will have a list of all your items. Here I will show you first on what or how to add a new item. So you're going to click on new item here, and you have an option to save it as draft. Failed to load category. You see, when I said glitchy, that's what I meant. You have so many glitches, and it doesn't even allow me to add an item now for some reason. New item, let's try again. You see, super glitchy. Let's do a hard refresh, maybe it will help. Apparently no, it doesn't work, but I'll try to make the process easy. So you have many columns here, very similar to how you add an item on Amazon. And when you add the item, it will ask you for UPC code, it will ask you for the description, the condition. To add images, you add them here. What I like here is that you don't have to add it one by one. You just add, you can like upload all of them. What else I can show you? It's really annoying that it doesn't allow me to really show you, but you know, at the end of the day, it's self-explanatory feeds. There is nothing really that is like, you know, crazy. Now, from my experience, sometimes you submit everything and it doesn't show you the item. You might need to edit like 2 or 3 times, which is super annoying. So that's how you actually add an item. Now, after you edit it, make sure that you go to item processing or item with errors, or hopefully it will be published. And then you want to adjust the inventory. You click on edit, and then you put the inventory that you have. The same thing with adding an item. Sometimes you update the inventory and it doesn't show anything. So you want to make sure that you actually you know, like update the like update and then refresh the page to make sure that it's reflected. So this one, for example, it's an item that I'm out of stock, so I'll update to 0. This one on the other end, you see submitted processing. Now it will take some time to show on the website, so maybe wait. um, I hate their interface. So this one I do have stock. This one as well. And that's it pretty much. So that's how you manage the inventory. Now, after you send inventory to Deliverr, it will take them obviously some time to process it and make sure that they got all the stocks, and it will connect automatically to the inventory that you have here. It will show it automatically. Now we have the orders tab, where it will show you all the orders that you have. Right now there's nothing new. If you go to view orders, it will show you the past orders. And here partnered fulfilled orders, that's from Deliverr, so you can see all the orders that Deliverr had. So as you can see here, today, yesterday we got an order, today we have an order. Actually no, these two orders are from today. It's telling you that you have to ship it by this date. Okay, and then you can see here the previous orders. We had some orders from yesterday and some orders from the day before. And that's how it actually works. We have the refunds. That's how their interface work. You can also go here to analytics and reports. I don't really spend a lot of time here because again their interface is very bad and I don't really like it. So as you can see here, for the last 30 days we sold like 3,400, not really a lot comparing to Amazon, but still it's an extra income, extra cash. And if you combine this with Etsy, with eBay and all of that, it's like around 20k a month. So 20 extra k in revenue and probably like $2,000, 3,000, 4,000 in profit. No one will say no to it. So you just need to take action and make sure that you add this, you optimize it. Again, I do it something as on the side, not really 100% focusing on it because Amazon is my main focus. But still, like I said, it's an extra couple of thousands of dollars a month, which are great. So how to use Deliverr? So Deliverr, you'll need to log into your account. And then in order to connect your store, you're going to go to, if I'm not wrong, channels. And then you add your marketplace. You connect Deliverr to your eBay, Amazon, and all these places. They don't have Etsy integration yet, that's why it's annoying. But when they have, I will definitely move all my operations there. So as far as how to connect the store, you're going to choose it from the list. Then you will have instructions here. It's very self-explanatory on how to connect it. Next step. So what is next? Watch the video explaining about sponsored ads with Walmart to drive more traffic and sales. So I did have a video about Walmart sponsored ad. It's not really like a fully in-depth because their platform is kind of not that great and limited, but I'll show you the Walmart. A dive into Walmart sponsored products. So this is the video, okay? So you want to make sure that you watch it, you understand how it works, and it will help you get, after you list the item, this is the next step. After you get the items and after you kind of optimizing everything, you want to get more people in front of your product. So sponsored ads are a great way to really be on top of the search results and get more clicks, more viewers to your product. Optimize your listing. So the same with Amazon. They have like SEO, organic rankings, and how you really influence it by putting, and this is I did like a little testing, not really in-depth one because again my focus is on Amazon FBA. But after checking, if you change the title, you put the main keywords and you use the description and the bullets, very similar to Amazon, you will optimize your listings more and more. Also, there is a new tool that is in the market that is similar to Helium 10 just for Walmart. So if you want me to make a video more in depth on how to optimize your listings and how to use this tool for Walmart, let me know down below in the comments, and if there are enough people asking for it, I will definitely make a video about it. So that's it. This is like in general the steps on how you start selling, what are the steps that you need to know, and a little background on how selling on Walmart works and looks like. I hope you got some value from this video. Please like this video. It will help me reach more people and help more people that are interested in e-commerce and changing their life. And also subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.